of these fancy ring cameras now. I know that. Boy, you inside. Come on here and get this box. You got all these packages out here. Is that how these things work? Oh, 27 years. You even got these fancy camera veils. Can you? Do I gotta get real close? Come on now.
Sorry.
You're just gonna spray that right in my face?
I'm so sorry.
What's going on? I done showed up to your house.
Yeah.
Because you just letting all your packages pile up out here.
Yeah.
Are you guys all right in here? You got something going on in here, boy?
No, man, we ain't got nothing going on.
Cause you know I come check on you.
I know, Mr. Charles. I know.
This been your mail. I was just down at the office, the post office, and I told them I ain't seen Mr. World and Josiah and Jay in a while.
Mr. World.
It's unlike you guys not to pick up your mail and you just got all the packages out here on the ground.
Yeah.
What's really going on?
Nothing, man. We just getting
You
over.
guys all right now?
We just getting over the flu, man. We were a little sick, the whole family.
You're sick.
Yeah.
Like, what do you mean by sick?
Just the flu.
Like, should I get you sick?
No, man, not that.
All right. Well, I'm just saying, I've been doing this a long time. All right. And usually when you see stuff like this, it's not good.
What you mean?
I done seen a lot of stuff in my day, and it don't stink in there. So I don't know if you ain't got no body in there, do you?
What?
You ain't got no,
Yeah,
ain't no body.
bugging.
Smell like Febreze. Like you got one of them. You got some Poporees in there. All right. Well, I was just checking on you.
Yeah.
Pick up this mail. It's a nice neighborhood, but and there can't nobody be trusted.
That's true. You right.
And it's unlike you. You know, I mess with you the long way. And I watch your channel, and you ain't posted nothing.
I know.
What'd you get? What's in this box?
New sneakers.
It says it's from the sneaker room. That's a store?
Yeah.
I thought that ain't that what you got? What'd you get?
You had to watch it.
No? Well, I guess I just watched it on your channel tonight. Pick up these boxes, boy. You can't trust these people out here.
You right.
Shit, you leave them out here too long, you might see it's on my feet.
Making my sneakers. Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby. Welcome back to Bobby's Sneaker World. I hope y'all enjoyed that intro. For all of my OG subscribers, you guys know that I used to do the skit thing. I'm going to try to bring the skits back. Well, I'm not going to try. That is what I'm going to start reincorporating back into the channel. It's the only way that I can make this fun for me, to continue to provide content. Just doing reviews is not fun enough for me. It doesn't keep me engaged. And it obviously won't keep you engaged if I don't really want to be in front of the camera just holding a sneaker and doing a review. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do a small review because it is a sneaker that I haven't seen since the last time I had it, and that's been 15 years since the last time I've held the sneaker in my hand. But anyway, if you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Subscribe to the channel and join this movement. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be fun. And let me know. You guys can feed me ideas, man. If you guys want to feed me an idea on like a skit idea or something like that, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, what I'm going to start doing, every video I'm going to start asking you guys to comment down below where you're watching this video from. Whether you want to take that extremely literally and say, I'm watching this at work, I'm watching this in the bathroom right now. But what I'm talking about is like city and state. I need to know my demographic. I want to know where people are watching my videos at. Is it Canada? Is it here in the US and Texas? Is it over in Australia? I want to know in the comment section where you guys are watching this video. But anyway, it's already been a long enough intro. Hopefully, like I said, you guys enjoyed it. You guys can hear that I am still getting over a little bit of an illness, so I'm playing hurt today. So let's get into this unboxing. All right, so we're gonna cut into this. This package did come from the Sneaker Room website. I don't think I've ever ordered from Sneaker Room. It is in New Jersey, but it's a legit website. I get emails and stuff like that periodically. I see it a lot on Twitter. And I was able to hit. And I was able to, oh man, they must have had a label on here and tore it off. Anyway, you'll see it in a second. Well, let me read it first before I show you guys. Got the Nike Air Foamposite One, black varsity purple and black, size 11 and a half. Now you guys can see that white residue right there on the top. Like I said, I'm assuming that must have been some type of sticker or label that was on there that they tore off. But hey, it is what it is. I plan on keeping these. And it is a very unique size, so I'm lucky enough to hit on an 11 and a half. And like I said, I haven't had, got a lot number right there in blue. You probably won't be able to see it. It's probably going to be washed out, but it is up there. It's a blue lot number. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. You got like dust on it, like they've been sitting on this since 2009. All right, there it is, man. Look at that iridescent purple. Now this is the Nike Air Foamposite One in the eggplant colorway. Very, very beautiful sneaker. I've said in previous videos, I need to stop saying that because everybody hasn't been here. This might be your first time watching one of my videos. I've only ever owned 2 Foamposites in my life. The original Royal that came out in like 96, 97, had that. And I had the eggplant in 2009. The only 2 I like, really, the personal for myself, I like other colorways, but the only ones that I would like personally is this eggplant colorway and the Royal. Allegedly, the Royal is supposed to drop as well in 2024, and I would love for that reason to have both of these again. I'll get it a little bit closer. Look at that. It's just a perfect colorway for this silhouette. I mean, I don't like foams that much anymore. It's not some like great need, but the durability, they last forever. The one thing that people don't talk about a lot is they say, oh, you can wear these forever. You can, but you can't, because this outsole gets extremely dark with age, and it does that's where you can see the wear and tear on a foam. When the iridescent or translucent or whatever outsole starts getting really dark and dirty, it takes away from how good the sneaker look. Now the uppers, if you're beating a foam, you have to try extremely hard and you're really rough on your sneakers. But just as far as like somebody that has a pretty large collection, it's hard to really destroy your foam. It's impossible just as for casual wear. As far as sizing, go up half a size. Go up half a size on your foams for comfort. Unless you're an avid hooper, the dogs are going to be barking. I apologize. Okay, let's try to get back to regularly scheduled reviewing. Now, like I said, it's almost impossible. I don't know where I was left off when the dogs start barking, but it's almost impossible to beat a foam unless you're trying really, really hard. Also, does get disgusting over time, but with casual wear, somebody with a very large, or I mean just a moderate collection, you're not going to be wearing this colorway or this sneaker a lot, should be fine. As far as sizing, I would always recommend in a foam, unless it's changed. I haven't worn one since 2009, 2010, to go up at least a half size for comfort. They're really difficult to break in, and if you're not wearing them all the time, just go up half size for comfort. If you wear it all the time, or you're avid hooper in them or something like that, you can probably go true to size, and then they will mold to your foot and be extremely comfortable at that point. But for somebody like me that's not going to wear them enough to break them in very well, half size minimum. And that's going to be it, man. Some of the details: you got your 1 cent, your penny logo on the back. You got your bubble penny logo on the tongue, if that'll focus for me. Oh, going the wrong way. There we go. Same thing, 1 cent on the outsole. You get all of that stuff, and like I said, there's no real midsole to these. Your midsole is almost just like this translucent outsole. You got this carbon fiber shank down through the midsole and outsole, stuff like that. But it's just the colorway, man. It's no crazy detail you need to go into on these or anything. It is what it is. You see this hard exterior shell. These and the Royals are the 2 pairs that I want, and the only 2 pair that I want. Thankful that Sneaker Room was able to bless me with a size 11.5, and I don't have to worry about it. Next pickup is probably going to try to be the Nike Dunk Low Plums. Almost, another purple sneaker. OV!
Smartest mind, whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape with the kicks and copping any bricks. Off fire, you design, but rock 'em, maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cop. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker